In this video, we're going to be working on an Xbox One S that was mailed in to us from Matthew, North Carolina. And this console is for his son. His son's birthday was on December 2nd, and he wanted this ready by December 2nd, but we just got the box. So we're going to work on it today, and we're going to ship it back express, like Matthew asked. And hopefully we can get this fixed for Matthew. Make sure to stick around for the happy birthday song and the dance party at the end of the video. Let's proceed. Before we start working on the repair, I want to give a shout out to our sponsor, PCB GoGo. PCB GoGo is a leading printed circuit board fabrication and assembly manufacturer. Whether you are a student, hobbyist, or a professional, PCB GoGo will handle everything from designing your circuit board layout to PCB fabrication, prototype, and assembly. No minimum required. They can fabricate boards up to 14 layers and offer a huge variety of options, including flexible PCB, custom size, custom thickness, color options, and a lot more. Get an instant quote by visiting PCBGoGo.com or click on the link below. Make sure to check them out, and let's proceed with the repair. The first thing I want to do is inspect the HDMI port to see if it's good. Let's take a look under the microscope. And HDMI port is bad. Pins are all over the place and needs to be changed. So let's go ahead and change that port. The first thing I want to do is lower the melting temperature of unloaded solder, because it's going to take a lot of heat to remove that port, and we do not want to expose the board to a lot of heat. Bad things can happen when you apply a lot of heat onto the board, so we try to minimize that. We're going to be using low melt solder. When low melt solder mixes with unleaded solder, it lowers the melting temperature. You can see the leg is already moving. Now we're going to apply low melt solder on to the front pins of the connector. We still have some left here. I mean, a little bit of low melt solder goes a long way. Okay, with a little bit of hot air, we should be able to easily disconnect this port. Let's see how long it takes. And it's out. It only took 3 seconds. 2 or 3 seconds. Let's clean up. flip the board, and we need to clean the pads for the front pins. Clean as a whistle. Let's grab an HDMI port. All we have to do is put that port on the board and start soldering. So right there, that's a new port. I'm gonna pre-apply solder onto the soldering iron tip, just a tiny bit. Now I'm gonna press and hold the connector down with my thumb. The front pins are done. Let's make sure all those pins are solid. Everything is solid. Everything is super solid. Very good. Let's do the back 4 legs. Job is done. Clean up. Joints nice and shiny. Just final clean up so we can remove any leftover flux. There you go, right over here, this one right here. Awesome. Big Boss is gonna assemble it and we'll test it together. This laptop is making a fan sound. Came in this morning, we added an SSD, reinstalled Windows. Big Boss took the fan out, ultrasonic the fan, looped the fan, but it's still making that noise. We'll let the customer know. Okay, so let's see if it's gonna work. Done. Xbox is fixed. Big Boss is the man. Man of the day. I would like to wish your son a happy birthday. I hope he enjoys the Xbox for years and years to come. I want to play something for him quick. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.